People that live in urban areas are not used to having to drive 3 or 4 hours to get to a doctor's appointment. And in a lot of rural communities, that's truly still the issue.
In rural health, there's a lot of stigma attached to accessing Medicaid, accessing food stamps.
Our work is really intended to benefit the over 1.9 million Michiganders who reside in rural areas, who we know don't have the same access to high-quality care as others.
This group was brought here because of the biosciences here at the University of Michigan. The idea here is to really figure out very quickly what works and what doesn't work, and we're going to be able to make decisions and get some of these ideas to scale.
We can't do this with the old techniques that we've had. We really need to bring the diverse team together in a powerful way to really push the exciting new advances forward. In this workshop, we brought together a unique collection of individuals from a variety of backgrounds.
Everyone's bringing in thoughts and ideas from a different segment that they work in, and when it all merges together, it dovetails and you end up with a really good, strong product.
There's a lot of opportunities where my expertise, which is in telehealth, could be helpful for that population.
We had 2 nurses in the group who I think brought a really important on-the-ground perspective to our conversations.
My hope is that we can continue on after this workshop as a team and work together to really refine and develop our idea and actually, seek to pilot it.
It's a good use of their dollars to really listen to what other folks in the community have to say, and I think they're going to find some really viable research products out of it.
It's very nice to be able to create some hope. This is just the beginning, and that's the exciting part of this partnership.
This is the University of Michigan and their community having a positive and lasting impact on the state of Michigan, the state of healthcare, and the state of well-being in our world.